Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be sharing with you an exciting tip that you can use when you quickly want to analyze data without using pivot tables. Let's dive right in. In this example, I have sales data and I have the product category, the salesperson, the date, and the amount. And let's say I just want to quickly see the summary of sales per person. I'll just use the group by function and I'll type in group by. And it's going to ask me which fields that I want to select for the analysis. And I'll just select this column and use Shift Control to go all the way down. And to go back up, I can use Control Backspace, and that takes me back up, and comma. And Excel wants to know which columns do I want to get the values from. And in this example, it's going to be from the D column. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to use Shift Control down and use Control Backspace to go back up, comma, and Excel is asking what function do you want to carry out, and it's the sum. I want to know the total per person, so I'm just going to hit double click this and press comma, and Excel wants to know if I want to show the field headers. Yes, I would like to show them, so I'll press double click that. It gives the 3 function. I can also type 3, it doesn't matter, and I'll close parenthesis, hit enter, and we have our data analysis per person. Easy, quick. Next, I would like to sum up the sales by product category, and I'm just going to apply the same method and go equals group by. And this time around, I will be using the A column. So I'll select this, use Shift Control down to select all of the fields and Control Backspace to go back all the way up, comma, and my values are in the D column. So I will use Shift Control again, select all the data and Control Backspace to go back all the way up. And again, I want to see the sum. That's what I want. Double click. And I also want the field headers. So use the 3 option, close parenthesis, hit enter. And we have our sales by product category. Give it a nice format, so it's looking good. And finally, I want to see the sales per person and category. So I'll be combining these 2 columns together to see the sales value. So I'll go equals group by and select the 2 columns, Shift Control down, Control Backspace to go back up, comma, the values are in the D column, and the sum is what we would like to see. I'll double click. And again, I would like to see the headers, but in this example, I'm going to go one step further. I would like to see grand and subtotals. And so the 2 option is what gets you that result. Now I'm going to close parenthesis, hit enter. And there we have it. We have sales per category, and this is how much each person sold. And there's a subtotal here for the beauty, same for books. So essentially, this is not a replacement for pivot tables, but pivot tables can have a very steep learning curve, but it's a very powerful tool nevertheless. However, if you just want to do something quickly, the group by function can allow you to quickly get out some analysis, and it's quick, easy, and fast. If you find this content useful, share with others, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.